Okay, so here we are, CFB Comox. It is about just after around 9:15ish, Saturday morning of the Airshow here. We arrived just as the gates were opening, and it's what is it, about 9 or 10 degrees Celsius. It's a nice morning. Looking forward to an interesting Airshow. Just so you guys know, I'm going to try my best to live stream again with the professional equipment. I'll give it a try. If it doesn't work, I'll make several attempts, but if it doesn't work, I'll film clips, and then during the week I'll upload the like a high quality video for everybody to see. So looking forward to a good time here. We've got a lot of interesting airplanes. The C-130s and the CP-140 Aurora are both expected to fly. Those are going to be highlights for me. So stay tuned. It should be a very, very fun time here at the Comox Air Show. Here we go. C-17 from Yellowknife, Canadian Armed Forces Twin Otter. Flew all the way from Yellowknife. Here's the hotline, and we got the CP-140 Aurora and the Hercules being prepared for flight. So yeah, should be a good show.